Hi dear boys. Here we are continuing as the second part of the lubricant. Now we are going to have the properties of lubricants. Lubricants are essential for the efficient and smooth functioning of machinery, automotive engines and various industrial processes with the following properties. The first one is the viscosity. Based on the viscosity, the lubrication works. It will reduce the friction, heat as well as wear. High viscosity index is required. The second property is physical stability. The physical stability will be most considerable property of the lubricant. Then the chemical stability. Whatever be the situation, there should not be any chemical reaction, so chemical stability is also required. Resistance against corrosion. Lubricant should not be the reason for the corrosion in the contact surfaces. Flash point should be high. We require the high flash point. Lubricant should have the cleanliness and resistance against extreme pressure. Lubricant should resist the extreme pressure. So, lubricants should have the properties of viscosity, high viscosity index, physical stability, chemical stability, resistance against corrosion, flash point should be high, cleanliness and resistance against extreme pressure. Next, the type of lubricants. Basically, lubricants are of three types. First one is oils, second one is grease, and the third one is dry lubricant. Oils can be further classified as mineral oil, synthetic oil, and biodegradable oil. Mineral oils are derived from petroleum. It's widely used in automotive engines and industrial machinery. Mineral oils are derived from petroleum and is widely used in automotive engines and industrial machinery. Synthetic oil. It is engineered from chemical compounds offering better performance in extreme temperature and conditions. So, synthetic oil is a chemical compound. It is offered to give a better performance in the extreme temperature and conditions. The third one in the oil is biodegradable oil, which is made up of renewable resources like vegetable oil used in environmentally sensitive areas. So, oils are basically three types: mineral oil, synthetic oil and biodegradable oil. Then greases. A thickened oil with additives to make it semi-solid, often used for heavy duty applications where liquid lubricants won't stay in place. Where liquid lubricants are not working, there we are using the substance called greases, which are semi-solid in the appearance. The last one is the dry lubricant. Substances like graphite, molybdenum disulfide or Teflon, which reduce friction without using a liquid base. So, dry lubricants are the substances like graphite, molybdenum disulfide or Teflon, which reduce the friction without using liquid phase. The reasons for degradation of lubricants. Lubricants degrade over time due to several factors which can affect their performance to lead to potential equipment damage. So, reasons for degradation are oxidation, thermal breakdown, contamination, additive depletion, microbial growth, shear stress, exposure to chemicals, water contamination and aging. So, these are the reasons for degradation of lubricants. Repeating that: oxidation, thermal breakdown, contamination, additive depletion, microbial growth, shear stress, exposure to chemicals, water contamination and aging are the reasons for degradation. Let us continue in the next class.